How to back up files and documents for your organization. The shift to remote and distributed workforces since the pandemic has led to a massive surge in digital collaboration. With more employees accessing and working on documents online, the volume of shared files has skyrocketed. That's why backing up files and documents is more critical than ever. In this video, we'll explore why file and folder backups are essential and take a look at the options available to help your organization keep its critical business data safe. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. When to use file and folder backup versus image backup for documents and files. File backups protect individual files. Image backups capture entire systems. The right choice depends on the device. Servers need image backups. They store more data, have complex setups, and downtime is costly. For user devices, file backups are ideal. They hold fewer system settings, and the most important data is usually documents and files. Where to back up files and documents. You have several options for backing up your organization's files: cloud storage, local storage, or a mix of both. The best choice depends on your organization's specific needs and environment. If everyone works in the office, local storage is likely the easiest and most practical option. For remote or distributed teams, cloud storage is a smart choice, especially if you want to avoid relying on VPNs. Businesses who have members going in and out of the office, working from home part-time and the office part-time, would benefit the most from a hybrid backup. How to determine the best way to back up files and documents. Choosing the best way to back up your business data depends on a few key factors, including who's using it, how important it is, and what kind of data it is. Back up files and documents based on the people using the data. Different roles in a company need different backup levels. For example, a CEO's data is high priority and should be backed up frequently, possibly every hour. It's smart to prioritize backups based on each person's role and responsibilities. Backup files and documents based on the criticality of the data. Teams like accounting, engineering, or anyone handling important intellectual property should have their data backed up first. It's critical and hard to replace. For others, losing a file might just mean redoing some work, so the impact is usually smaller. Backup files and documents based on the type of data. File backups usually cover productivity files like Word docs, PowerPoints, and PDFs. For most knowledge workers, backing up these files is enough, as that's the main data they use and need to keep. Backing up files is an easy way to protect your team's data and make recovery simple. Learn about the backup options available. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to back up files and documents for your organization, linked in the description below.